Hello, good people. So, we have that beautiful 718 Cayman that I promised I'm going to give you guys a little rundown on. So, this one came in with coolant fault message on the dash. And one very peculiar thing about it is whenever you start it, you would actually start the car. And when you rev it, you would actually get boost pressure at the turbo, and Porsche was very nice to include that gauge on the dash. So every single time you rev the car up, you would actually see turbo boost. Unfortunately, I already fixed it before we got the chance to actually record any of it, but you get the notion. So reason for that boost gauge moving while the vehicle was in parking at idle was this boost solenoid. So I already have it attached to a vacuum pump just to show you guys that the solenoid is actually jammed up. I did try activating it. Activation wise it worked, but yeah, essentially it never closed the vacuum up. So this is your supply side. This one is your wastegate control, and this is venting to the atmosphere. But I can see on the vacuum gauge, sorry about the vacuum gauge being a little bit broken, that's just how it shows. But when you push a few times or you blow through it, you can basically see that this valve is not closing and it's jammed up. So what you can do is you pump the vacuum pump a few times, and you can see it does not hold any vacuum, which means it lets vacuum go through the solenoid and actually engage the wastegate. I'll try to get it closer so you guys can hear the vacuum leaking. Or for demonstrational purposes, we can just do that. Give me 1 second. One-handed is not the nicest thing. So if you're a smoker, there's a very good old trick that you can do. You can light up a cigarette, take a puff, and then, as you saw, it just got through the boost solenoid without any resistance. And I will show you the codes that this car had. It was revolving vacuum leaks. I just gotta find it. Not that one. So unfortunately, since we've had quite a few Porsches here lately. So this is a 17 with a 2-liter. You can see those vacuum codes basically came out to be all related to that boost pressure solenoid, because it was airing vacuum into the atmosphere. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this one. And feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And we're going to be doing more videos from similar cases. Just don't forget, take everything with a salted grain. This car has 7 solenoids. Might not be the problem you're having, but if your boost gauge is moving while you're at idle, very high chance that this is where your vacuum leaks are. So just check it, super easy. You remove the engine compartment paneling, and that solenoid just sits underneath the air filter box, which is also pretty easy to remove. But I'll show you that some other time.